Okay, can we just stop for a second and appreciate how insanely cool gravity is? Like, it keeps us on this planet, makes stuff fall, and shapes the entire universe. But what if I told you science is seriously trying to hack gravity? Yeah, that's a thing. Scientists are working on creating synthetic gravitational fields, and the implications are absolutely wild. Strap in, because this is going to get crazy. Alright, so gravity. It's not just a force that makes apples fall from trees, even though Newton's moment of insight gave us that whole image. Gravity is actually the warping of space-time. Imagine space-time as a giant, stretchy trampoline. Throw a bowling ball on it. Now smaller stuff, like marbles, will roll towards it. That's how stars and planets bend space-time, pulling things in. But so far, we've only been able to observe and endure gravity. Manipulating it? That's another level entirely. Now here's the wild part. Scientists are asking, what if we didn't have to rely on giant celestial objects to create gravity? What if we could control it, just like flipping a light switch? One approach involves looking at superconductors. These are materials that, when cooled to super low temperatures, conduct electricity with zero resistance. And here's where it gets bananas. Some experiments suggest that superconductors might create tiny gravitational-like effects when electricity flows through them. It's like the universe whispers back whenever we mess with the quantum world. Spooky, right? But wait, it gets even crazier. There's another cutting-edge idea called gravitomagnetism. It's the gravitational equivalent of electromagnetism. Basically, just like moving electric charges create magnetic fields, some theories suggest moving masses might create gravitational fields. The tricky part? The effects are incredibly tiny, like, you need the sensitivity of a cosmic microscope to even notice them. Tiny. But the math? Oh, the math says it could happen. It's like the universe is dangling the juiciest carrot right in front of us. Okay, let's pause here for a second. Think about what this would mean. If we could generate or manipulate gravitational fields, we're not just talking about floating objects for fun, although let's be honest, that would be awesome. We're talking game changers in transportation, space travel, and even energy. Imagine spaceships that don't need rockets, just tweak the gravity around them, or entire buildings earthquake-proofed by counteracting gravity waves. Not to mention, we'd finally understand, on a fundamental level, how gravity really works. Mind blown yet? Alright, shifting gears a bit. How close are we really? I gotta be real. We're not deep into Star Trek territory just yet. Superconductors and gravitomagnetism are still in the theoretical and experimental stages. But here's the thing about science. We take baby steps until suddenly we're sprinting. Think about electromagnetism. A couple hundred years ago, we barely understood it. Now it's in everything, from your smartphone to MRI machines. Gravity hacking might feel like science fiction today, but so did Wi-Fi a century ago. And you know what else? This could completely redefine our understanding of physics. If we crack this, it'll mean digging deeper into the quantum realm, the arena where particles play by entirely different rules. It could even help unite gravity with quantum mechanics, solving one of the greatest mysteries in modern science. The implications are, like, universe-altering. So here's the big question. What would you do if you could control gravity? Would you finally make that giant trampoline park dream a reality? Or build cities in the clouds? Whatever you imagine, the point is, we're inching closer to a future where gravity isn't just something we endure, it's something we command. If your mind isn't spinning like a neutron star right now, are you even paying attention? Seriously, tell me your thoughts in the comments. And hey, don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to join me on these wild science dives every week here on Hyperfocus. Because you know I'm not done blowing your mind yet. See you next time, and keep asking big questions. Bye.